The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how you go about measuring the distance to a pole using Axonic. Now within Axonic, to do measurements you need the distance to the pole that you're measuring, and there are a few ways to do that. You can use a laser rangefinder and enter it directly, or you can use a maps feature to do it. But what I'm going to show you today is how to do it using a height stick. So what we can see here in front of us is we've got a multi-measurement, and in front of this pole that we've gone and captured, we have a height stick. Now to measure the support, we want to click on this button here. That's the add support one, so I click on them. We get a label up the top saying select top of height stick. So we go in here and we select the top of the height stick, and then we select the button, and that's red now, that's just come up down the bottom. And that changes the label up the top to select stick lower mark. Now this presents an option to us. We can select any of these marks down here. Generally what you'd do is you'd select the lowest mark that you can see. In this case we can see the base here, but often you'll find that's hidden by grass, so you might select this one here. So that's 4 foot below the top of the height stick. So once you've done that, you've selected that, decided that's good, you can open this panel here. And what we want to look at here is we can see that the length of the height stick is right, but we want the distance between the height stick marks. That should be 4 foot because we got the 4 foot mark done, and that calculates the distance as around 69 feet. That's the distance from us to the pole. Now this works in any way we do it. If we did move this point down to the bottom here, and go back to the panel and change that to 5 feet, then it will still calculate as 69. And we could go up one, but again, I mean, we could even go to here. So we go to the 2 foot mark. It's just as we make that distance less, the errors will sort of increase. So we need to then change that from 5 to 2. And that should change that back to roughly 69. So that is how you go about defining your the distance to your pole using a height stick.